to add the desktop video recorder, like extension in your Chrome browser, follow these steps. First, look for Screencastify, and then click on the link to connect to their website. Click on Add to Chrome to add this extension to your Chrome browser. When it's added, you will see on top the icon which represents the Screencastify extension. So click on that and sign in with your Google account. Allow the camera and the microphone to be used in your recordings, of course, and done. In this case, I'll only select the desktop, click on record, select which screen you want to record. I'm going to record this one. Click on share, which means record in this case. Recording started. For example, I would like to show you how to list the units in Connect to see which ones you've got access to. I can also use the annotation tool on top of my recording. So I indicate this is what you have to click on. So stop using the annotation tool. Here is also where you can see the indicator that recording is in progress. So when you finish recording, you can just click on the icon in the top right corner and stop recording. So I have set up my Google Drive, the destination of my recording. So if you want to change that, you can click on in the top left corner, select Options, and select My Local Device. Your recordings will be saved there from now on. Go to My Recordings. So this is the one we have just finished. You can play the recording, click to unmute. And when it's done, you can just click on download, and I'm going to the destination folder. So it was downloaded in my downloads folder, and you can right click and rename it if you wish. So this is the date when the recording was made, and that's it. So if you open this recording in with your media player, you can check the quality and the sound before you share it with the students. For example, upload it to the media site. And this is the recording. And that's it.